Hey Bam Bam, PM here.
AM here.
How are you all doing today?
We
Guys?
hope you were well. And we hope that you're gonna enjoy our feast today.
Yes, AM made the carbonara sauce, which our recipe, right baby?
Yes.
And
so
then
we're gonna link the description of how our version of
carbonara
is.
It's kind of like Filipino-ish carbonara flavor or way. And we have our scissors over here, Bam Bam, to open up these bad boys.
So we got our homemade vinegar with chopped up onion, spring onion.
And a little bit of soy sauce.
And a little bit of soy sauce. Fancy.
Yes.
We got crabs. I think this is blue.
I don't think they're blue crab, are they? Look how big
when
it
you
is.
boil it, what
They're
did you
just
say?
brown.
Okay, we have crabs.
Just crabs.
We have lobster and
Lobster
broccoli.
tail.
I'm about to say cabbage.
Yes, and we're gonna try the crab and dip it in that delicious sauce that Aya made,
And also the
broccoli. Let's see, because
you haven't tasted this.
No, I haven't, because we're not allowed to have carbs, so we can only have this with veg and the seafood. First bite, Bam Bam. You can have it. Go, 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 go.
Fun makes you have food in front of you. This will be amazing.
Oh wow.
Oh yeah, I can cook. I'm surprising you every day.
AM has been cooking all week this week, Bam Bam. And this has bacon as well.
So yummy. Sorry, I just have to get started on lobster.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm gonna cut the shells.
So we have 1 lobster each and 2 crabs each.
How do you normally open the lobster? Oh, sorry.
That sauce amazing, baby.
Indeed.
Let's start with the crab.
I'm starting with the lobster. Well, half of it anyway.
Bam Bam, make sure you grab something to eat, okay?
Whoa, so yummy. Oh, look at that tail. It's so massive. Okay, I'm gonna cut it in half.
Why?
So that I'll have the other... Thanks. I'm gonna have the other side in a bit. Because I'm gonna try to just have it by itself for now. Lobster is lobster.
Yes.
But I mean, I'm gonna try it with this one.
Ooh.
I know it might look weird that we're dipping in carbonara sauce.
Just imagine that it's kind of like Alfredo sauce. I'm gonna try it by itself first. Is that good?
Okay.
It's okay. I'll enjoy this one first.
Because I put in bacon, ham, and a lot of Parmigiano.
Parmesan cheese.
Amazing.
Yes.
Wow.
Do you want me to open them for you, baby? You sure?
You know, I only have one.
Oh. You can have the other one.
Nice. Oh, look how big that is.
So what are you eating today, Bam Bam? Why are you eating with us? Are you eating something healthy like this as well? Ooh.
We're so messy. Oh, meaty.
It's so good with the sauce, baby. Oh my god. You should have got me some.
And the crab is amazing.
Wow. Can I try the lobster? Try by itself first.
Lobster is lobster.
That's without the sauce. It's good. Let's try just the sauce.
So we just boiled the lobster and the crab because
Oh, look at that.
I don't know. Are we in a rush? Why did we choose to just boil it?
Because it's easier that way.
Yeah. I've got ham, bacon, and crab.
Looks like we're gonna need more of this sauce. So good.
Amazing. Amazeballs.
There you go, baby. I'm gonna open this.
Oh, thank you.
Oh!
I miss seafood. Wow.
Don't mind the dripping, fam bam. Don't worry, we'll clean it up. Look at that fat! Oh my god. This is the perfect part of the crab. The best part.
Wow. Alright. We're going to open this massive thing. Oh, yes! I'm dripping.
Wow. And this is one of the good parts as well, which is the nugget part.
Oh, yes. I'm gonna get you.
Ooh.
I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you.
This part over here, right there.
Wow.
That's the best part as well.
And then in this corner.
Yes, look at that nugget from
Oh, yeah.
I mean, this is a small crab compared to king. Oh,
Crab.
compared to king crab. I'm gonna scoop that with the broccoli. Oh my god, this is so good, fam bam. This is so messy eating, fam bam. By the way.
I have my watch. Let me take it. Took out my watch. Oh, look at that. Goodness. Do you want some goodness?
Good. Oh, thank you. We haven't even tried our dipping sauce. You have? I haven't.
I'm mixing them.
So the legs has meat in them as well. All I do is that. Oh man.
Oh, this is so yummy.
No.
Oh yeah.
I didn't even season the crab. All I did was
I'm getting so excited.
boil them with ginger. Try that, the dipping sauce.
And did you add some onion or just ginger?
Just ginger.
Just to kill the
Fishiness. Wow. It's so good, Famba.
It's so messy. Oh, I'm so messy. Look at me.
Are you, Famba, doing this challenge with us too? No carbs challenge.
And do you know how to eat crabs?
Uh-huh.
Because we can show you, but I mean, we're not a pro, but...
Oh, this carbonara sauce is amazing.
Every bit helps. Wow.
Worth the wait, right? Oh man, that's so good. Oh, I lost my crab meat.
We need to buy more crabs. Okay, grab my t-shirt, please. Oh, sorry. Dripping everywhere.
Yeah.
So yummy.
This sauce is so amazing.
Whoa.
That carbonara sauce can go at anything.
I think we can pull it off by putting it with the rice, I think. Like eating it with the rice.
Yeah. That's ulam right there. Ulam means dish.
Big nugget. Ah! Oh no, it came
I
off.
told you it keeps on coming off.
Lucky little spoon. Ah,
I did lose a lot of it.
so soft. Yum.
The only thing about this crab is that it doesn't have a lot of meat, but it's so good.
You just need to suck it. You just need to properly eat it. I don't want to say suck. Ah.
I'm gonna eat the body first.
Wow.
Oh, this is not that fat. Look, there's nothing in there.
That's a baby one. I mean, that's a baby one compared to this two.
Yeah.
You can share the other one if you want.
Okay.
Yum. Oh, oh no.
You're dripping.
I know.
That sauce is so good with the crab. I don't even miss the pasta at all. Right? Do you miss the pasta?
No, because I have broccoli. But although there's an alternative if you're doing a 30 days no carbs, there's an alternative that you can do,
What?
or you can have. Although that has carbs, but less carbs. The
It's not pure carbs.
is it
It's
naked?
just... We're gonna try it next time.
What is it again? Bare naked, right?
Bare naked. It has a little bit of carbs.
I went to a lot of shops already trying to find it, but I couldn't find it.
Maybe tomorrow.
Maybe.
We did say that a challenge could be less carbs or no carbs at all.
Yeah.
But so far, we're doing an amazing job on this, baby. Amazing, amazing job.
Which baby?
Not you, Siri.
Siri just likes to talk all the time.
I know. This is so good. Look. Look at that. I don't even know why we have this dipping sauce.
I know.
What? So messy, but so good.
Interesting question. PM.
What? Sorry guys. See you wanna join our
Oh,
conversation.
this doesn't have anything. Actually, it has a little bit on the side.
Mm.
You're so skinny.
Are you guys allergic to seafood or shellfish? I don't even think I need my scissors now.
Yes. It's a really soft crab.
Like my scissors underneath this pile now. AM's pile has disappeared behind the camera.
Well, my sister's looking at me like, use me, use me. My sister's looking at me like, use me.
Actually, I'm gonna use it now. Just to cut this off. That's so good. OMG. I think this would have been even better if it's cooked in coconut, which what you suggested.
Yeah.
Right? Next time, we'll get some more. Imagine eating king crab with Filipino ginataan.
Can't wait. Soon.
Oh! I did it! I did it, Bam Bam! I did it! I finally did it! Yay! It's gonna be ready.
That went quick.
No. Ah, this is so good, Fam Bam. Are we leaving the lobster for last, yeah?
Yeah. I'm so focused doing this. Bam, what is your favorite seafood?
Yeah.
Leave a comment below because I'm very interested about it.
It's interesting to know, right?
Yeah.
Because we all have different favorite stuff. But mine will probably be prawns.
Yeah.
Yeah, second
Mine-
will be lobster and then king crab.
Mine will be oyster.
Oh yeah.
Second will be... Oh, no.
What?
No. First will be milkfish.
Oh,
Second will be oyster.
no, you mean the belly of the milkfish.
Yeah, that's still the same. But yeah.
Oh no.
Ooh, hot. Spicy.
So milkfish belly.
Yeah.
What else?
Then oyster. And then I'll say sea bass.
Sea bass. I have a lot.
Or I don't know. There is a lot that I want, or that I fancy, or that I really like. But I mean, yeah.
What?
I think I'll go for that older milkfish first. Especially the top.
You mean just the belly, yeah?
Just the belly. Just the belly part. Amazing.
I
I can eat that the whole time.
I like that in the bongos.
Oh yes. Oh
Shall we do that next
Yeah,
time?
but we can't find any milkfish around.
Yeah, that's a shame, isn't it?
Every time we go to Billingsgate,
Just-
I always
they don't have
ask for
milkfish.
milkfish.
Maybe we'll get lucky next time.
Well, my brother asked me if I want to have some, because he has loads.
What? Milkfish?
Yeah.
Where did he...
He already marinated and everything.
Ah,
He did it himself, yeah.
okay. So why don't you get some? Oh,
I can actually look a little bit different.
yeah. We're gonna split this with A. There you go, fam. Look at that tail. Whoa. Look how beautiful that is. Beautiful white meat.
Oh, I thought you were talking about me. I was smiling. Yeah.
You're beautiful to me. What's that?
Pen.
I'm so messy.
Yes, you are. You're all over the place.
Ooh. Look at that.
You're everywhere, my hand. Oh. Oh.
Mmm.
That's how you get the nugget. That's how you get the nugget.
Oh.
Can you see it? Can you see it? Look, look, look. Voila.
Mmm.
Now voila.
What's this?
Wow. Oi. I'm keeping again. Oh. Whoa.
I'll try the lobster with this sauce. That's good too.
Okay, I'm done.
Huh?
Oh,
You got lobster.
I know. 1 second. I saw it. And I said, whoa. Hi. Hallelujah. It tastes like lobster dipped in cheese.
Oh, we need to do that. What Tian does. Do you guys follow Tian too? Tian Lee.
He does amazing
Yeah,
mukbangs. You should watch him, guys.
we love him. Tian, if you're watching this, we love you. He watches our mukbang too. Yeah, we watch his. Ooh. Look at that.
Can you have water, please?
Oh, there we go. We forgot about our water bottle.
I didn't, because I want cold water.
As you all fan bam know, I don't go anywhere without my water bottle.
Do you want water?
Open, please.
So, fam, if you want to buy one of these bottles, we will put the link below. It's amazing. You should try it. And if you use PM21AM as a code for the so you're gonna have a free shipping in America.
Yeah, if you live in America, you get free shipping. What's up?
You nearly dropped there. I was like, in America.
Yeah, fam bam. So go to the link down below and use PM21 as a discount code. You get free shipping if you're in America. If you're in another country,
What's the code again?
PM21AM, which is this channel's name, making it easier for you, fam bam. Yeah? Try that. More of that sauce.
Ham and broccoli.
Hmm?
Ham and broccoli.
So, and
I was looking at Raphael earlier,
yeah.
and we were in one of the shops that we went to, and then I asked him, "What do you eat vegetables?
Yeah.
So I can cook it for you later on." And he said, "Yes, I do eat vegetables." And I said, "Do you want broccoli?" And he was like,
No.
yeah.
But
And you know the broccoli that we have yesterday,
yeah.
the long stem one. I showed it to him and was like, "Do you want this one?" And he suddenly said, "No, I don't want that anymore." So okay.
Ugh.
Yes, PM, you run out of seafood.
Oh.
Careful, your teeth.
I just did the shell. Oh, let's finish this broccoli. You full now?
Yeah.
We can do this, baby. Put that here.
I can't eat anymore, or else I'm gonna fall asleep. Right here. Okay.
Aw. Alright then.
No, you finish. Look at you. Joe.
So good.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna finish.
So big. You have to help me out.
And I've got this about this bacon, by the way. It's very, very thick. And delicioso, huh? Wow. You finished the whole thing. No lie, you like it?
That's a really good carbonara sauce. Well done, baby.
I tried my best.
Ah. Done. I drink.
Me too. The good thing about it is, it comes with this
A holder. You
holder,
can
so you can-
hook it at anything. You just
whatever.
what I sorry, baby. What I do at work is that when I have a bag, I just hang it on the side of my bag.
No, punasati. And then you bump into something, and then
Yes.
you're gonna.
But this water bottle Fan Bam is amazing. We've had a lot of Fan Bam. Comment down below if you've ordered this already through our link.
Because we're gonna give you a shout out.
Yes, we'll give you a shout out on our next video. Just comment down below to say that you've already ordered it through
Or you can
our
send
link.
us a picture in Instagram.
In Instagram, yeah.
With your bottle.
Or if you don't have Instagram, use Facebook.
Yeah.
Send us a message that you've already ordered it.
So, okay, we're gonna show you what's inside.
Okay, go.
And close it down. So, that's totally locked. No leaking.
Yes.
Which is great because PM's bag is like massive and it goes everywhere. So it has a straw and a really really good protector in there to keep it nice and cool.
The great thing about this one, Fan Bam, is that even if you put so much ice in there, you know when you have like some water bottle and you put really cold water or really cold drink and then you put it in your bag and you look at it half an hour later, it's all watered outside because of the coldness and then the temperature outside being really hot or warm.
So that's the moist.
It's just basically the moist that's steaming out. This will never have it.
So you're not gonna have any
Moist outside your bottle. Ever.
And also, I mean, for me, it's easy just to like sip it out, you know, just drink it in there. It's really cool bottle.
Yes, a really good
That's
bottle.
why we recommend it. We recommend it big time.
Yes.
Because
We're not gonna recommend it if we don't like it, Fan Bam.
and also, fam, if for example you're gonna go for like camping, which we love, by the way, PM, right?
Yes.
So we love camping, and then you can use that. You can use that and then put ice on it. It will last for like at least 2 hours or 1 hour. Like the
What?
ice in there. Or I mean, as long
No,
as
if it's pure ice, then it's gonna last
just the
a long
ice
time.
itself. Yeah.
After
It's
36
gonna water
hours.
just a little bit, but it's ice. It will melt. But
Yeah.
I mean, it lasts. It will last.
Here we go, Fan Bam. That's it. To be honest with you, during the day we don't eat carbs at all. So that's a promise, Fan Bam. We haven't had one. Unless somebody has been cheeky, not telling me, because I haven't had any. So here we go, Fan Bam. Thank you so much for tuning in with us today and hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so, and turn on the notification bell so that you guys get notified whenever we upload a video. And then, Fan Bam, as me and AM always says, we will see you again on our next
Video. Thank you so much, fam. We love you.
See you later, Fan Bam. Love you. Bye-bye.